What's up YouTube? JB Tech Fanatic back again with another video. As always, I want to start this video by thanking each of you for joining me. If you have not yet subscribed, I'd be so honored if you would consider. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. And if you want to know when the latest content is available, don't forget to click the notifications to on. We are back in the kitchen with the brand new Samsung Bespoke 2.1 over-the-range microwave. Now this is a chic and beautiful product. I really like the way it looks. It has Samsung's latest auto dimming touch controls to give you that really flush look, and it has a glass front which will keep this microwave looking pretty much like new forever. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at this inside and out. I'm going to go over all the features, specifications. I will also show you how to set up Samsung SmartThings so you can use this microwave with voice or your mobile device. But the most important thing, let's find out if this is worth our hard-earned money. I can't wait to get started. Let's do this. First, let's talk about build quality. This is absolutely gorgeous. Everything seems very well built, it's sturdy, nothing creaks or sounds cheap, if you would. But one thing that I didn't really think about was the glass front. Now, this has two portions. First, due to the fact that it has a glass front, this microwave is likely going to look brand new for almost ever, right? That is a huge benefit. You don't have to worry about the logo fading out or falling off. You don't have to worry about putting dents in it, or, you know, fingerprints that, or not even fingerprints, oil from stuff splashing that won't come off. This won't have that problem. But on the flip side, fingerprints are likely going to be much more visible more often. Now, Samsung did think this through. The handle is hidden, so when you grab it, you're not going to put a fingerprint. The problem is the auto dimming controls. They're beautiful, they're flush, they streamline the look, but you're going to have to deal with fingerprints. Great news is, not a big deal. Quick one of these here, they wipe right off and your microwave looks brand new. I think that's more important than the fingerprint situation. Now, as you can see, it shut off. The clock will shut off also. You can set all of this for up to 15 minutes, but it's easy to get it to turn on. You're simply just going to touch somewhere and it's going to turn on all of your features and functions. Here we have our light, fan, popcorn, sensor cook, reheat, auto cook, defrost, and keep warm. Obviously you see the clock with the date. We have our keys 1 through 9 with the 0. We have settings, back plus 30 seconds, OK, left and right. We have start and a stop. The plus 30 seconds, you can add 30-second increments if you want. Makes it easy when you're using this. Also, don't forget you can use your mobile device and voice through Samsung SmartThings. If you want to get to your settings, you simply hit the settings feature. Here we have turntable. You can turn that on and off. Then we have our timer, lock, we have my pattern, filter remind, we have our weight unit. If you want sound on or off, I shut it off for this video. Remind, you know, when your food is done, if you want it to beep, it will. If you don't have to. Again, you will get notifications on your Samsung Smart TV, your tablet, your smartphone, so that's really nice if you need that extra reminder. And then we also have factory reset if you want to start over. We have Wi-Fi, of course, built in. If you want it on or off, you can decide for yourself. You can change different languages. You have your date and time. You can set it to auto or you can do it manually. And then you can use 24-hour format if you'd like. And then we have our screensaver. This is where you would adjust the minutes. I have it at 15. Now, the next thing, the interior build. As you can see, it has a great build. This is something that, again, should last forever. It's got the enamel. This is not going to chip. I mean, it'd be very difficult to. Right here we have our quick toggles, quick settings. We have reheat, casserole, plate, dinner. So if you have anyone, you know, staying over, you have kids, babysitter, or whatever it might be, this is something that can really help them utilize your microwave better. And think of this, kind of weird to think of. I was thinking, oh, why would I ever need to be able to control my microwave? Well, someone was at my house, never used it before. I said, you know what? Put what you need in there, tell me what it is, and I actually program the microwave for her from my mobile device. So it actually does come in handy. We have our auto cook, which is home desserts, fit choice, kids meals, snacks, and soften and melt. Sensor cook is potato, pizza cook, veggies, and then of course the defrost function is available also. Otherwise, beautiful. This still has the wrap from the packaging on there, but it is a beautiful built microwave, has all the features you need. And so far, I really love this microwave. You're now looking on the bottom side of the microwave for a couple reasons. First, I wanted to show you here, simply push, take this off and clean it. Then we have our lights. The lights have two settings, just low and high. That's high. There's low. And then next, let's take a listen to the fan. That's the fan on boost. That's high. That's middle. And that's low. Again, boost. High. Middle. Low. We're going to set up Samsung SmartThings. This is very easy to do. Few things you want to keep in mind. Now again, this is going to connect your microwave to Wi-Fi. So first, make sure that you toggle on Wi-Fi on your microwave. Next, on your mobile device, make sure that you're on a 2.4 gigahertz network that you're going to use for your microwave. Also, download Samsung SmartThings to your mobile device if you do not already have it. Then simply open the Samsung SmartThings app. You will see a little plus sign. Press the plus sign. Hit Add Device. Next, we're going to hit Samsung Devices. Then we're going to scroll down to Microwave. You can now add it with a QR code on your microwave or add without if you prefer not to. When you hit Add Without, what will happen is it will populate as one of your devices. Either way, just simply go through the toggles, set up, yes, okay. Once that's complete, you go back to your home menu. You should now be able to see your kitchen microwave. Go ahead and click it. Now you can see that we have our mode, power level, cook time, cooktop light, and auto cook recipe selection. Anything you select, you'd simply hit send to microwave. If we click mode, you can see we have microwave, popcorn, reheat, defrost, sensor cook, and keep warm. You would hit apply to which one you want. Then set your power level, then set your cook time, then hit send to microwave. That simple. Here also we have auto cook recipe selection. This is very cool and useful. As you can see, you have lots of different options: chicken nuggets, dinner plate, brown rice, frozen dinner, egg pudding, melt chocolate, and it goes on and on. This is something that really can turn you into a chef in your microwave. Try new ideas, really cool and easy to use. Also, down at the bottom, you have your food, get personalized recipes and weekly meal plan recommendations. You also have home care. The home care app is something I really recommend that everyone utilizes. As you can see, all of my Samsung smart appliances are here. Anything that needs to be checked will have a sort of orange or red dot, and it says devices need to be checked. This will let me know if there's a maintenance needed, if a filter needs to be changed, or if I need to call for service. Or you can also ask for service right from the app. Extremely useful to keep your device up and running. And in the unlikely event it goes down, you can have help right here on the app. But everything's all in one place. Got all my stuff here. I think I already passed my microwave. Here's my microwave. So here you can see, sorry for bouncing that. We have no issues, sensors ready, we're good to go. Also, that energy management section is great. This also, if you have, washer, dryer, refrigerator, stove, etc., with the AI built into it, or even some of the other new units, this will help you understand exactly how much electricity you are using each day and how much you're using versus the people in your neighborhood. So also a very helpful feature. Lastly, if you see here, we have microwave, but we also have our hood. We'll click that. This essentially lets you turn on your fan. You can cycle through all the different speeds and your cooktop light. So you can control all of that also from the app. Again, very useful. This sort of digital age, AI sort of taking over, this product is definitely something that builds on your smart home. It goes great with other Samsung smart appliances. So if you're somebody that's techie and you want the latest and greatest tech features, you also get that in this microwave. What I can say about this is I really enjoy it. I love the way it looks. It's well built. It's not too loud. But the only drawback is the fingerprints. But again, it's sort of up to you if you want to deal with that. I think it's well worth it for the glass. But what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, definitely check this out. That wraps up my review on the all-new Samsung Bespoke over-the-range microwave. I believe this microwave looks beautiful, it's well built, feature-packed and powerful, and would definitely make a great product to check out if you're in the market for a new microwave. I think your family will enjoy it, it's easy to use, and it just looks beautiful. As always, I'd like to slow things down for a moment and remind you life is so short. Don't forget to love your family, love your neighbors. Go out today and do a small act of kindness for someone. It is amazing how the smallest act of kindness can make such a difference. Remember, I do YouTube for you and you only, so if you need me, reach out to me at any time in the comment section. You can also come follow me all over social media on TikTok, Twitter, which is X, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok if I didn't mention that. But I would be glad to answer any questions that you might have. I would love to invite you to subscribe one more time. I can't wait to see you in that next video and talk to you in the comments. And until then, I'm JV Tech Fanatic, and I'm out. Peace.